Now we have Prathap sir with us. Now, Prathap sir has created a program using Python, whatever skills he learned from our V.I Tech Academy. And now, in next 5 to 10 minutes, he will show you a program created by Python and the skills which he learned from the V.I Tech Academy. Over to Prathap sir.
I am Prathap. I am working as a HR in NLC India Limited. The program which I designed is printing of tables. It will take input from user and it will print. Here I have used two concepts, while loop as well as for loop. The user input is 1, and first it will print the table as per while loop, and it prints as per for loop.
Terminal 1, Python P Y space P colon the term tick P mainland terminal 1, Python debug PSC colon X P Y T H O N space X Y Z Python dot backslash zline table dot py. Enter any number multiplication table will be printed using while and for loop. 3 star 1 equals 3 star 2 equals 6 star 3 equals 9 star 4 equals 12 star 5 equals 15 star 6 equals 18 star 7 equals 21 star 8 equals 24 star 9 equals 27 star 10 equals 30. The above table is printed using while loop. 3 star 6 equals 18 star 7 equals 21 star 8 equals 24 star 9 equals 27 star 10 equals 30. The above table is printed using for loop. Thanks for using our program. PSC colon backslash users backslash admin backslash desktop backslash class creator.
Yes, sir.
So you have written a program using Python where it will ask input from the user, then it will give the table, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Feeling inspired by the limitless possibilities of Python after watching our students' journey? You're not alone. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity with our online Python adventure course. In just 100 days, you'll be coding like a pro and bringing your ideas to life. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Join the ranks of our successful students and embark on your own Python adventure. Ready to make your mark in the world of coding? Click the link below this video and start your journey today.